In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Notion Calendar at calendar.notion.so. Once the page loads, you will see the calendar view, such as a monthly layout. The exact month shown is not important. What matters is that you are inside Notion Calendar and ready to add an account. Next, look for the option that says Add Calendar Account and click it. This is the main entry point for connecting external calendars to Notion Calendar. So if you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the left side panel or the Account and Settings area where integrations are usually listed. After you click Add Calendar Account, you will be taken to a connection screen with different providers. Find the button labeled Connect Google Calendar and select it. This tells Notion Calendar that you want to link a Google account and sync your Google Calendar data into Notion Calendar. At this point, you will see a prompt that prepares you for Google authorization. Click Continue to Google Permissions. A new Google Sign-in or Permissions window will appear. If you are already signed into Google in your browser, you may be asked to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the Google account that has the calendar you want to connect. If you manage multiple calendars across different accounts, make sure you pick the correct one here, because that is the account Notion Calendar will request access to. Once you select your account, Google will display a permissions and consent screen. This is where Google explains what Notion Calendar is requesting, such as access needed to view and manage your calendar events. Carefully review what is listed on this screen. When you are ready to proceed, click the Approval or Allow option on the consent screen to grant access. Then continue through the final confirmation screen, which completes the authorization. After you accept the permissions, Google will redirect you back to Notion Calendar automatically, and your Google Calendar account will be linked. You can now use Notion Calendar with your Google events available inside the app. And that is all there is to it.